In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Substack likes. If you've ever found yourself curious about how your latest post is resonating with your readers, or if you're just eager to quantify a little bit of that engagement, you're in the right place. Substack makes it fairly straightforward to check out how many people have hit that like button on your posts, and today I'll walk you through the process step by step. To start, you need to head over to your Substack dashboard. This is the central hub for all your publishing activities, allowing you to manage your posts, newsletters, and more. It's where you can get a quick overview of how everything is performing, but today we're focusing on those likes. Once you're at your dashboard, look for the Posts tab. Clicking on this will open up a list of all your published posts as well as drafts. Alternatively, if there's a specific post you have in mind, you can just open that one directly from here. After you've selected a post or navigated to the specific one you're interested in, you'll want to click on View Post. This action will open up the complete post as your readers would see it. Viewing your post from this perspective can be incredibly helpful as it shows you exactly what your audience is engaging with and how it appears to them. Once you're viewing the post, scroll all the way down to the bottom. It's at the end of your article where reader engagement is often most measurable, and it's where Substack displays the pulse of your post. Here you will find the heart icon, which is Substack's symbol for likes. Right next to this heart you'll notice a number. That number represents how many likes your post has received. It's a straightforward heart and number combo that makes it easy to grasp at a glance. If you're interested in seeing more details about who exactly is liking your posts, you can hover your cursor over the heart icon. When you do this, you might be able to see usernames or profile pictures of those who liked the post, granted that this information is public. This can offer deeper insight into the type of audience your content is attracting, and it can be particularly rewarding to recognize some familiar readers among your supporters. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to see how your Substack posts are engaging with their audience. By regularly checking this icon, you can stay connected with your readership's preferences and gauge their reaction to your content. This feedback can be invaluable as you continue to grow and refine your Substack newsletter. Happy writing and tracking those likes.